Guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to review the Xiaomi S20 Plus Robot Vacuum unboxing. So you've got a nice empty box here. Lift the lid. Like so. And we've got the instructions, a quick start guide. And then we have the user manual in English, first language at the start, quite detailed, and the Chinese at the back. We have a warranty card, just a box, nothing in it. Then we have the vacuum itself, nicely wrapped in a white material bag. So if I just show you this, here's the vacuum itself. It's quite heavy. It's got some stickers in for remove before use. Remove before use. So you know, it looks like quite a quality product at first glances. Also in the box we have two discs, I assume, for mopping the floor. And a brush, swiveling around. The UK power supply. And a docking station. The quick start guide does say to download the app. First of all, I can just lift the card up the floor. So you've got you scan the QR code. So you remove the protective covering, install the side brush, install the mop assembly, fill the water tank, place the charging dock against the wall, charge before use. Then you connect with the My Home app, and then use it to start cleaning and follow the app. We'll go through this in a minute. So guys, we've taken these stickers off from the sides, which reveals the sensors at the front. We've inserted the brush here. We've installed the two little mop heads, which just sort of click in underneath, like so. And the unit looks like this once assembled. And then we have the docking station here. We're going to let it charge for a bit, then we're going to let it run around the house to do its mapping out. And the water tank, you press the button here, lift it up, slide out. This is the water tank, which you fill the water in here.